Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are well. So today we're going to be making cheesy garlic buns. So let's get started. Into a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, or salt to taste. I'm also adding baking soda, 1 teaspoon. And now I'm going to be adding about 5 tablespoons of melted or room temperature butter. And then I'm just going to give it a light stir with a spatula. This is one of my favorite recipes because it's so easy to make and it tastes so good, and oh my god, it smells so good. I recommend everyone making this recipe because it's just great for anyone, any guest, or just for, as a snack or maybe appetizer. This is one of my favorite recipes to make, and I make this pretty often just because it tastes so good and it's pretty simple to make. So you want to keep mixing like this. Since everything gets gradually mixed, then I'm just going to go in with my hands and really knead that dough. And now I'm just adding like about 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm just gonna combine that together. And now I'm going to add 1 whole egg. I'm just gonna mix that just like this. And you really nicely want to knead this dough so everything's nicely combined. So here I'm adding about a cup of water. You want to add as much water as you need. There's no exact measurement, but you want it to look something like this in the end. So now I'm going to take my dough out of my bowl and I'm just going to lay it out on my counter, and I'm really kneading it so everything is nicely combined and everything is really well done. So just like this, knead for about 5 minutes or until you think the dough is ready. Now I've formed a ball-like shape, and the mixing bowl that I was using before, I'm just going to put that in it and cover it with parchment paper cling wrap, and I'm going to let it sit for about an hour to 30 minutes, maybe more, and it should rise. It looks something like this now. So here's my thing, and I just have a pizza cutter and I'm going to slice it into 4 pieces. I recommend cutting with a pizza cutter just because it's a lot easier. So what I did is I cut it into 4, and then I cut those 4 into half, and you should have about 8 pieces. So then I'm going to roll those pieces out just a little bit, just like this. And I'm going to add mozzarella cheese in the middle. And what I'm doing now is I'm pressing all the sides together, and this will help make a beautiful circle shape. Just like this. And you're just gonna press that all together and sort of twist it, and then there you go. You have your ball, and then I've made a few more, and I let them rise in my pan for about 30 more minutes. And after 30 minutes, you can see they've risen quite a bit. And here I have just some melted butter that I added, some garlic and parsley too. You can even add a little bit garlic powder if you want. And for oven timings, you're gonna want to put this for about 350 till it gets golden brown. So now I'm going to put it into the oven, and at the end they should look something like this. So now with a spatula, I'm going to grab one and you can see the mozzarella cheese. And look, we're done with our cheesy garlic buns. And you can see all the cheese inside. Just like this. And these were amazing. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys next time.